This is lesson 9-7, look for a pattern. Our essential question, how can you use patterns to help solve a problem? There's no vocab for this lesson. Okay, example number 1, find the pattern, write the missing numbers. So we're going from 4 to 2. So I know we're going from a bigger number to a smaller number. So we're either subtracting or dividing. So we could be subtracting 2 or dividing by 2. So let's see what happens when we go from 2 to 1. Well, now I know we can't be subtracting 2 because 2 minus 2 would have been 0, not 1. But 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it looks like our pattern is to divide by 2. So now we need to fill in the next two numbers. So let's go from 1/2 and we need to fill in the next one. So we have 1/2 divided by 2 because that's our rule, divide by 2. We got to do stay, change, flip. So the first one stays, this changes, and the second fraction flips. So it becomes 1/2 because it's really 2 over 1. So when we multiply straight across, we get 1/4. Now we can do that for the second one, 1/4 divided by 2. We do stay, change, flip, and we multiply straight across, so we get 1/8. Okay, example number 2, we have to find the pattern again. From 0 to 1/4 doesn't tell me a whole lot, so I kind of need to look at the next two numbers. 1/4 to 2/4. So it looks like my denominator stayed the same, but my numerator went up 1, went from 1 to 2. And then it went up again 1. My denominator stayed the same. So it looks like our pattern is to add 1/4. Because when we add 1/4, the denominator always stays as 4, and we would just keep adding 1 to the numerator. So if we added 1 to the numerator, we would have 4/4 and then 5/4. We could also change 5/4 to an improper, or sorry, it is improper. We could change it to a mixed number. So we would do 5 divided by 4. It goes in one time with 1 left over. So the mixed number would be 1 and 1/4. Alright, so you have two practice problems. Find the pattern and then fill in the two missing numbers. Don't forget a word problem or a question and rate your understanding.